Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about degrees of adjectives, comparatives. Let's get started. Remember that an adjective is a word or set of words that modifies, in other words, describes a noun or pronoun. Remember that adjectives may come before or after the word they modify. Have a look at the example over here. This is a cute cat. This cat is cute. Note that the word cute is an adjective and it is used to modify or describe the noun cat. And in the first sentence, note that the adjective cute comes before the noun cat, and in the second, after the noun cat. Now, most adjectives can show degree of quality or quantity by forming two degrees of comparison, the comparative and the superlative. Now, these degrees are formed from the positive degree, which is the usual form of adjectives. Have a look at the examples below. Let's start with the positive degree. For example, this is a tall building. The comparative form, this building is taller than that one. And the superlative, this is the tallest building. Now, to form a comparative sentence, we use the following formula. Noun or pronoun as the subject, plus verb, plus a comparative adjective, plus than, plus noun or pronoun as the object of the sentence. Have a look at the example below. My room is larger than Jake's. My room, being the subject, is verb, larger, comparative adjective, than Jake's, the object. Remember that sometimes the second item of comparison can be omitted, as in the example below. If you start working out, you'll get thinner. No second item in the sentence. Now, when an adjective ends with one syllable, we simply add er to form the comparative. For example, smart, smarter. And when an adjective ends with a vowel plus a consonant, we double the consonant and then add er. For example, big, bigger. And when an adjective ends with a consonant plus a y, we keep the consonant, then change y to I, and then add er. For example, dry, drier. Now, when an adjective ends with two syllables, we simply add er, or we add more. For example, happy, happier. Tangled, more tangled. And when an adjective ends with three syllables, we simply add more. For example, beautiful, more beautiful. Now let's have a look at the following table, where we can see how we can form the comparative and the superlative forms of irregular adjectives. Positive, good. The comparative form of good, better. Superlative, the best. Bad, comparative form, worse. Superlative, the worst. Far, comparative, farther, further. Superlative, the farthest, the furthest. Little, comparative, less. Superlative, the least. Much or many, comparative, more. Superlative, the most.